Hello everyone, welcome back to Mathmood. Here we have interesting exponential equation 10 to the power x minus 70 equal to 0. If you know an answer or if you feel an answer, write your suggestion in a comment, write your answer in a comment. So let's start to solve it. First of all, we can bring this 70 on the right, so we will have 10 to the power x equal to 70. What we're going to do next, for sure, we need to know about log. So we need to take log from both of the sides. So let's take log base of 10 and log base of 10 on the right. So we will have log 10 and for sure log base of 10 on the right. So right here we will have 70 and right here we will have 10 to the power x. Here is equal to 1 because we know if we have the same bases, if we have log a base of a, it's equal to 1, and if we have exponent right here, this exponent jump right here. So this x jump right here in the beginning. So we will have x equal to log 70 base of 10. For sure, I'll approximately calculating this x approximately equal to 1.84. And this is the answer. This is the answer. If you have any question, if you have any suggestion, write your suggestion in a comment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to put thumbs up and see you in the next videos.